I'm Rowena Ball from the Mathematical Sciences Institute. I'm an applied mathematician. My research area is complex dynamical systems in physical and physical chemistry situations. When we think about mental health, that leads us to ask, well, what gives our lives meaning? When we think about that question, what gives meaning to our lives, it always comes back to what we do for others. And that works both ways. You are valued. You are loved and respected. Your work is appreciated. So what you do for others and for your peer group and the people in your life and those people you encounter, it always comes back to making your own life more meaningful. So it's a two-way thing. Another aspect to meaningfulness in life, I think, is a sense of continuity. I think that's important. A sense of and validation of continuity, I think, is important. One of the greatest Australian poets, Ujuru Nunakal, said, "The past is all around us and within." And it is too. The past is an important source of meaning because it anchors us. So talk to your elders, talk with your elders if you can. Go back to your grandmother's country if you can. To walk on your ancestors' country is an important source of meaning in life. And that connects you to others. Once you have the confidence of continuity, then you're more open to inviting others into your life. So that's two things I've mentioned. There is a third thing that I was thinking of while I was thinking about these questions. And that's the ability to listen. So the importance of the ability to listen. I'm always here, and my office is always open. So I regard it as a privilege to listen to other people's stories. And that both gives meaning to my own life and helps others validate their own experiences. So listening to my students and my fellow staff members, my door is always open.